Welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today we will be presenting LiveWebinar. LiveWebinar is the single platform for all your webinar needs, from live and evergreen webinars to online meetings and big virtual events. With LiveWebinar, you run meetings, share documents and presentations on any browser with a cloud-based webinar solution. No downloads are required. So now you can deliver a truly live experience to your audience and make your pre-recorded webinars as interactive and engaging as real-time events. It's easy to create a perfect, evergreen webinar funnel to drive sales and generate more leads. It's an excellent alternative to Clickmeeting, LiveStorm, WebinarJam, and GoToMeeting. LiveWebinar even allows you to reuse a previously created webinar as evergreen content. Just upload the webinar recording and put your success on replay. It's also possible to have brand consistency and get an extra promotion by embedding your evergreen event into your webpage. Best for sales, marketing, human resources, and remote teams looking to improve internal and external communication. With LiveWebinar, you can run limitless meetings during one session and split your participants into subrooms to enhance their collaboration in smaller groups. It's now possible for participants to join your webinar whenever they like, despite different time zones and urgent meetings. It's the perfect way to share your message and always stay in sync with your audience. Don't hold back. Over 1,000 elements can be customized, from colors and logos to user roles, functionalities, and interface. The possibilities for the platform are endless and are tailored to what you need. Live events mean a lot of tedious and time-consuming preparations, while the final results may still be far from perfect. With LiveWebinar, you just record your speech only once and replay it over and over again. If you like what you hear about LiveWebinar, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our other videos for many excellent deals on software. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.